Transform your ideas into reality with an iPod architectural visualization. Today, we're diving into how to create stunning, detailed floor plans using Leonardo AI, perfect for real estate listings, design projects, or simply visualizing your dream home. The magic starts with a precise prompt for our floor plan. We'll specify the type of image A circumflex euros. A 2D top-down architectural floor plan then, we define the subject a modern 3-bedroom house crucially. We'll include approximate dimensions, like 1,500 square feet, which helps Leonardo AI understand the scale. Next, let's refine the details. We'll ask for clear separation of rooms, explicitly call out key areas like the kitchen and living room, and request simple labels for bedrooms and bathrooms. This level of detail ensures your floor plan is informative and easy to read. Now, let's explore the settings on the right-hand side. You'll find important parameters for floor plans. We'll keep the aspect ratio standard, often a square or a rectangle that suits architectural drawings. You can also use negative prompts to exclude elements you don't want, ensuring a clean output. With our prompt and settings in place, it's time to hit generate. Leonardo AI will present you with several variations. Browse through them. To find the one that best captures your vision, you can often see how the AI interprets your dimensions and room placements. Notice how the AI has successfully depicted the distinct living areas, the flow between rooms, and even incorporated labels as requested. This is incredibly valuable for communicating architectural concepts. These AI-generated floor plans are fantastic for real estate marketing, allowing potential buyers to quickly understand the layout for interior designers. They serve as a brilliant starting point for visualizing furniture placement and room flow. So, experiment with your prompts, refine your details, and unlock the power of Leonardo AI to bring your architectural visions to life. Happy creating!